Today I'm sharing a veggie pancake my whole family loves, eggplant and green pepper pancake. They are incredibly simple, no deep frying, no special skills. Crispy on the outside, soft and tender inside, and you can really taste the fresh vegetables. Even beginners can nail this recipe. Let's get started. Slice the eggplant. You can cut it into rounds or thin strips. Any shape works. The key is to cut it as thin as possible so it cooks quickly in the pan. Add a tablespoon of salt, mix well and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. The salt helps draw the water out of the eggplant. While we wait, slice the green pepper. Add the amount of pepper that suits your taste. I'm using half a pepper for 2 eggplants. Time's up. You can see how much water the eggplant has released. Now squeeze out the excess moisture. Eggplant holds a lot of moisture, and if we skip this step, the batter becomes watery. The pancake won't crisp up, and it will taste mushy instead of tender. Add 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of cake flour, and half tablespoon of cornstarch. Then add salt, white pepper, sugar. Stir until you don't see any dry flour. Then add the sliced green pepper and mix again. If the batter feels too runny, you can add a little more flour. If it feels too thick, add a splash of water. We want a batter that's slightly thick but still pourable. Then add a few drops of sesame oil to boost the aroma. Avoid making the batter too thick, otherwise the pancakes will come out dense and tough. Heat a bit more oil than usual in a pan. Once the oil is hot, switch to low heat and spoon the batter in. Use the back of the spoon to gently press it thinner. This helps the eggplant cook faster. Now be patient. Cook on low heat and flip a few times until both sides turn golden. This recipe doesn't require much skill, just enough patience. If you turn the heat up too high, the outside will burn before the eggplant inside is done. And we are done. The eggplant and green pepper pancakes might not look fancy, but trust me, the taste makes up for everything. Serve them as an appetizer, a snack while watching a game, or even breakfast. Pair them with your favorite dipping sauce. It's so simple and so good. Don't you want to try it? If you do, come back and tell me how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.